Welcome to Brampton's newest incubator. This is day 0.
Over the next 6 months, we're going to be transforming 4,500 square feet into a place where entrepreneurs can come, connect, learn, collaborate, and innovate their ideas.
This is going to be a center for education, innovation, and collaboration for entrepreneurs of all walks of life, whether it be tech, business, doesn't matter.
This is also going to be the future home of the Brampton Entrepreneur Center. We're going to have workspaces for our clients to interact, connect, get resources, a dedicated training room for us to host workshops and events. If you're looking for more information on this exciting project, check out www.brampton.ca/incubator for program updates. We're looking forward to sharing this amazing space with you in March 2019.